Alright guys, welcome back to Stinky Family Homestead. Today is chicken coop clean out day. I love days like this because I know where the chicken manure is going and it needs it. It really needs it. So we're going to clean everything out and go back with the new. But first, we've got to get these chickens out of this coop. And I hope that I can do it without them going out in the yard. So let me just hook this. Oh, and y'all see that little hole right there? That's an armadillo hole. If you have any suggestions on how to get rid of that, please let me know. Alright ladies, time for y'all to please exit the chicken pen. It does not matter which way you go, just get out of the chicken pen. Come on. 3, 6, where are you at? See? Oh, you're in there? Okay, well then you could stay in there, you're fine. But all of this old shavings and stuff has to come out. We're gonna get all this stuff out and get this completely cleared out. So it's all cleaned out, everything's good, and that chicken don't like me in here, but whatever. You gotta get some new bedding and stuff. So we've got it all cleaned out. I have a quick question. Alright, what is this called? We call it a hoe. I have heard so many different terms for this thingy right here. I call it a hoe. So now it's time to get back to work and get this done. It's hot and sweaty in here. The sun's not out, but the wind is blowing just a little bit, but I'm in like a cove, I'm completely surrounded by trees and inside of a chicken coop, and it's hot. I'm just sweating. I am sweating up a storm. So we're gonna get this out and then I'll show y'all what it looks like afterwards. Look, there's a chicken in the background. So now that we got all the lime down, we're gonna sprinkle diatomaceous earth. We're gonna do a thin layer of diatomaceous earth, and then we're gonna do the shavings, and then we will do another thin layer of diatomaceous earth. So we're gonna get everything out and get this diatomaceous earth down. So now we have the Cypress mulch. We're going to put the Cypress mulch down, and I've got 3 bags of that. So the final step is to sprinkle a little bit more diatomaceous earth in here. I'm not going to sprinkle a lot, but it looks really good in here. It looks clean. I'm actually sitting on top of the shavings, so it's clean. We're going to finishes up. It's hot today, and I still gotta go cook supper for the kids and for Steven. He's home. He finally got home from work. So we're gonna get this finished, set up, and then we're gonna let the chickens back in, and then they can have a clean coop. All right, so let's get these eggs out of here. We're fixing to get these chickens back in here. Let's get these eggs. Dress right here. All right. Don't break them.
No.
Hang on, there's 2 more. Can you take those up there to the house?
Yep.
Thank you, ma'am. Love you, Courtney. Here, I'll let you out so you don't poke your eye out. Go. Close it. Alright, so thank y'all so much for watching. I'm pretty sure these chickens are happy and they're glad to be in here and getting fed. They're getting water, which is, I'm pretty sure were happy to get out, because the past couple days I hadn't been letting them out just because we had a predator come and take one of our chickens during the middle of the day and we had no idea. But we're gonna start keeping a little bit closer eye on them. But thank y'all so much for watching, and y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.
Bye.